Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, you are welcome. Today I'll make a chocolate pancake. I got milk, baking soda, vanilla, salt, sugar, eggs, flour, cocoa powder, and then butter. Alors bonjour soyez les bienvenus. Soyez les bienvenus encore. Soyez les bienvenus. Les la crêpe au chocolat. Non sala ngo ezabo bien. Bana balinga ngo non sala ngo. Na yango nazana nana milk, nana milikawa. Nana mateka na chango ekomi win mateka nazana wana na wachwa mezini surtout nana mungwa nazana bicarbonate ya soda au base la cake na komango parce que la semaine avant la semaine passée avant na komango après nana mac nazana vanilla nana sukal, nana farine, nana chocolat awa. Nana cocoa powder ezawa, ya benga cacao mo sorton. Yango yo. C'est la pancake banini bunya. I using this one, and then more than that step by step now sana now melange. After you need to do step by step. Also I have oil, I forgot. I've been a wheeler, I have oil. That's a little oil, bicarbonate of soda. I use this one, just one sachet, that means 1 teaspoon d'outre. We started egg to bandina mark. Mix, mélanger. Butter, mateka, mélanger, mix, vanilla. I'll put all recipe or writing below there. No como ba mezinho surtout. Milk. That milk is a little bit warm, no cold, it's a little bit warm. Is that warm? Say the mkie, moto mkie kaka mingi kia mkie kaka. salt, bicarbonate of soda, oh, la sisi farine ngoyo. This is my flour finish. Let me add the salt. Just sugar nanga. Sorry. Excuse me, let me put sugar. That is sugar nanga. Sugar. Pardon me. Sugar. And yes. Now I need to mix. On va mélanger ensemble. Just keep mix. Il faut d'abord mélanger, just keep mix all together. Mélanger, on va bien. Des fois, on va faire pareil, ok? Il faut y faire un soleil. Le monde est fermé du tout. Il y a un moment où il faut mélanger. On va bien saucer un angle au salé du wana. Faut mélanger bien. Now it's finished. Already proper mix. You see how it look like. See. I'll use this jug. No, if it's easy to put in the fry. No, say la kopoyo. Is that nga fast? Pona ucha ngoko. Mwone is that? Oil. I use oil. Which oil? Any oil you want. Use some oil. I say la oil. Salt of oil is using kusala. You can use that middle heat. Utaona moto ya moyenne quoi, so itezika. Middle heat. Bon, atia huile kama mkie. Huile kama mkie. Just a little bit oil. Then middle eater. Middle eat. Toute la montre moyenne. Quand on monte à moukier, just middle eat. Quand on monte à moukier, Mwenye bela mota mkiyo so monika imosa neti moba mboma likolo mwami boy kachana honte. If you see like some bob at the top after you turn around. Okay. Turn around. Sina. Siko apo balole ombo. So monika ba mbingo balole after that. Look now, it's finished. So delicious. Try my recipe. This one was rough. So delicious. Try my recipe. You like it, you enjoy it. Ba mama, bo mikangoyo. Bana baki. Ba oke de classe te. Maramdezo le kawa. Mo pancake boy. Bana balinga. On a set na chocolat. Bala balinga ngo msupu ezali na sala na chaîne nga ezali mais sans chocolat mais oza na chocolat ezaki to bomeka ngo. Thank you so much, merci beaucoup de m'avoir surtout. Thank you to everyone to your supporting. Thank you. Try my recipe chocolat pancake. Bomeka recette mo kitoko. Merci beaucoup. Bye. C'est la bana. Video me à tout cas. Just here. Delicious.
With golden syrup on top.
Delicious.